Hi, this is Paul for the Pond Guy, here to tell you about the AllClear G2 pressurized filtration system. Without the use of a good filtration system, no matter how hard you try to keep your pond clean, chances are you'll experience some water quality issues, like discoloration or cloudy water. Whether you're building a new pond or need to upgrade your filtration system to an existing pond, the AllClear G2 filter keeps pond water healthy, balanced, and crystal clear. The AllClear G2 filter not only provides mechanical and biological filtration, it also has the added benefit of a UV clarifier. The UV clarifier exposes pond water to a high-output ultraviolet light that's guaranteed to keep your water clean and clear all season long. Here's how it works. When paired with a properly sized pump, such as the Pond Guy Solid Flow G2 pump, the water flows through the filter inlet and into the UV chamber. Within the chamber, larger particles are clumped together so they can be removed from the water. Larger AllClear G2 filters also include a UVC reflector. This intensifies the power of the UV, so a smaller, more energy-efficient UV can be used on larger filters, while providing the same great benefits. Next, the water travels through layers of filter media arranged in alternating low and high density to provide mechanical and biological filtration. The good bacteria that grow in the media pads break down ammonia and nitrites that can diminish water quality and be harmful to aquatic life. Finally, the water exits the filter and proceeds back into your pond or waterfall. The AllClear G2 pressurized filter is available in multiple sizes to best suit your needs. Installation of the AllClear G2 filter is simple. To install, you only need to have a shovel, hacksaw, and a screwdriver. First, decide on the location next to the pond. The AllClear G2 filter design allows you to bury the filter up to the filter top so it can be easily camouflaged. Set the filter in the selected location and use a shovel to mark an area slightly wider than the filter. Now, excavate the hole deep enough for the clamp on the filter top to remain a few inches above the ground surface. Then insert the filter. Be sure to position the filter so the inlet and outlet are set up for easy connection to your plumbing. Finish by backfilling dirt around the filter to keep it in place. Next, connect the plumbing. The step-down fitting allows you to connect various size plumbing from 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Attach the step-down fitting and slide your tubing into the fitting to determine the size connection you will need. Then, cut the fitting to the largest connection that will work with your plumbing to ensure maximum water flow. Next, connect the plumbing that will return water to your pond or waterfall into the outlet indicated on the filter. Then, connect the plumbing coming from your pump into the inlet indicated on the filter. The AllClear G2 filters are equipped with a back flush outlet. This outlet should remain capped unless you're performing maintenance. Finally, turn on your pump and plug the AllClear G2 filter into a GFCI protected outlet. You will see an orange glow from the indicator light on the back of the UV when the UV is working. For the final touch, easily camouflage with an AllClear rock cover. The AllClear filter requires minimal maintenance throughout the season. However, when there is a reduction in the water flow, the filter needs to be cleaned. To use the back flush, simply unplug your pump and filter, connect a discharge hose to the back flush outlet, and turn the dial from filter to clean. Then, plug the pump in and pull the handle on the top of the filter slowly. This compresses the filter media, aiding in the discharge of debris buildup. Do this for 60 seconds, or until the water exiting the back flush discharge is clear. Once the water is clear, unplug the pump and turn the dial back to filter. Disconnect your discharge hose and replace the cap on the back flush outlet. Finally, restore power to both your pump and filter, and you're good to go. You may also choose to collect the water that's being discharged, as it's rich in nutrients and great for other garden plants. If you see a reduction in the clarity of your water, verify the UV bulb is operating by checking the indicator light and check to make sure the quart sleeve is clean. If the UV bulb is not operating, replace the bulb. The AllClear G2 pressurized filter should not be operated during freezing temperatures and should be disconnected, drained, cleaned, and stored for the winter. For annual maintenance, check out the AllClear G2 maintenance video. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.